Welcome to another video of Design Atelier Unscripted, and today we're unboxing another Venezianico. Let's get on to it with my trusty cheap but very nicely made Tucson AliExpress knife. Venezianico has sent us once again another beautiful artistic watch. Yes, I dare say that this is an actual artistic watch. Rip it open, come on. There we are. No, this is not the actual model that we're going to review, but again, they sent us another one of these pamphlets. And this is a new one, actually. I've never seen that. Yeah. Also, if you want some pricings and some other collections from Venezianico, please feel free to visit their website. As always, get out of there. There we are. Well, that doesn't look any different from any other Venezianico packaging. They're using the same packaging for all of their watches, cost effectiveness, save some trees, as they may call it. Still, somebody needs to explain how we're saving trees when trees are already, dead and already made into boxes and papers. But anyway, that's a totally different subject for another time. Before we unbox this, I want you guys to comment on what you guys think on this watch, and the good comments I will also include in the video review that we're doing of this watch. This is just an unboxing with my unfiltered, unscripted thoughts and reaction to this watch. Let's open it. There we are. And bro, this is unscripted. I can hear you. There's no editing on this, so I can hear every single thing. And this is going to be uploaded as is. Honestly, here's the thing. I don't even know what this watch is called. I totally forgot. Sorry, Venezianico. Sorry, Alberto. I totally forgot what you call this watch. But look at that. That is certainly unusual and certainly very, very unique. Oh, okay. Here's the thing. When I'm turning this watch, turning the dial and all that, it feels weird because I'm always expecting that I'm turning something that's from the middle of the dial, and it's weird that I'm turning it and I'm seeing some action on the kind of right side of the watch. And as you can see, there's so many details on this one. This is a very unusual watch. And look at that. There's some adventuring going on in there. Now that takes some technical prowess, if I may say. And of course, the signature Venezianico engravings at the back. You can see there very nicely. Let's see it on our wrist. And this is a fairly large diameter watch for the type of watch that it's trying to be. It's trying to be a dress watch, it seems, but it kind of wears big because of that kind of thick impression. But look at that. There's a certain class to that, and I'll get into the video on what those engravings and those buildings signify. But this is actually a very good and beautiful and classy watch. It's not for everyone, of course. Not everyone likes these kind of dress watches. It kind of reminds me of Piaget for some reason, Piaget watches, some Vacherons in there. They're totally elegant and classy watches, if I may add. So, what you guys think about this new Venezianico, and is this something that you're going to buy? Or are you the audience for this kind of watch? Let me know, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. And again, those good comments will be included in the video review.